Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install APK files on iPhone. So, let's get started. First, you'll need to install the necessary app. Open the App Store on your iPhone, tap on the search icon at the bottom right and type APK Downloader. Download and install the app. Next, open a browser on your iPhone and visit apkfiles.com. Use the search bar at the top of the website to find the APK app you want to download. Once you've located the app, tap on it, select Download Free, enter any required text, and tap on Download. After downloading the APK file, open the Files app on your iPhone and go to the Download folder where you'll find the APK file. Then, open the APK Downloader app. Tap on the three-line menu icon at the top left, select Local Files, and locate the downloaded APK file. Tap on the APK file you want to install, and the installation process will begin. That's how you can install APK files on your iOS device. If this video helped you out, feel free to buy me a coffee using the link in the description. This will support the channel so I can keep making more videos like this.